The DefTech AV8 Gempita, Thunder, is an amphibious multi-role armored vehicle developed by Malaysian defense company DefTech with the assistance of Turkey defense company FNSS. The Gempita resembles some of the Turkey FNSS PAR's design and technology. The vehicle has a modular design which allows the fitting of different turrets, weapons, sensors, and communications systems on the same vehicle. The vehicle has 12 variants, including the Armored Personnel Carrier, Infantry Fighting Vehicle, Tank Destroyer, Signals Intelligence Vehicle and Recovery Vehicles. The AV8 is manufactured by DefTech in Pahang, Malaysia. In June 2011, the Turkish company FNSS signed a letter of offer and acceptance by DRB Hikam Defense Technologies, DefTech, for the assistance of design and development of the vehicles. The AV8 vehicle selected by the Malaysian military was based on the technology of FNSS designed PAR's 8x8 multi-purpose, multi-mission, wheeled armored vehicle. The contract included technology transfer arrangements to DefTech and logistics support for the Malaysian Army, positioning the vehicle and its 12 variants to become Malaysia's first indigenous family of 8x8 armored wheeled vehicle. In April 2012, DefTech and FNSS presented the first scale model of the AV8 at the International Defense Exhibition, Defense Services Asia 2012 in Kuala Lumpur. Malaysia's DefTech will be the principal manufacturer agent, and its engineers will work with Nurul Holding subsidiary FNSS to customize the vehicles for Malaysian requirements and equipment. The first prototype of the AV8 was presented in March 2013 to the public during the 80th Army Day anniversary celebration in Port Dickson, Negeri Sembilan. In April 2014, DefTech announced that the first 12 vehicles would start production in June 2014 and be delivered to the Malaysian Army by end of 2014. DefTech CEO Amrul Samsudin also said that DefTech has received contracts from regional countries, like the test of some vehicle by Saudi Armed Forces. In December 2014, the AV8 was officially inducted into service with the Malaysian Army in a ceremony at the DefTech plant in Pekan. This delivery of the first 12 units represents a significant milestone in the AV8 program. The driver and the commander seats are located at the front of the vehicle, the turret in the middle and the troops compartment at the rear. There is 3 large day periscopes at the front position of driver and commander and 1 on each side that provide excellent visibility. 11 infantrymen can be seated at the rear of the hull on individual seats down each side of the hull facing inwards. All shock-absorbing seats are fitted with 5-point seatbelts as standard. Back of the driver and commander position, there is an access passage to the troop compartment at the right side of the hull. The troops leave and enter the vehicle via a large hydraulic ramp mounted at the rear of the hull. The hull of the original PARS consisted of a composite aluminium and steel armor that provides protection for the crew and infantry against firing of small arms 7.62 mm armor-piercing attack through a full 360 degrees. The AV8 has add-on armor at the front and sides to increase protection level to Stanig 4569 Level 4, with protection against 14.5 mm rounds. The added armor weight resulted in the decrease of water speed from 8 km per hour of original PARS to only 6 km per hour. The anti-tank version with LCT-30 turret is not amphibious. The AV8 will be delivered in 12 variants. A total of 124 units will be the IFV-30 and IFV-25 variants in the first batch of 257 AV8. The most numerous variant is the AFV-30, equipped with an LCT-30 turret. The LCT-30 is a 2-man turret designed and manufactured in South Africa by Denel Land Systems. The Denel LCT-30 turret is armed with a Denel GI-30 30mm gun and a 7.62 mm coaxial machine gun. The GI-30 is fully stabilized and has a computerized fire control system that enables targets to be engaged under day and night conditions with high first-shot round hit probability even when the vehicle is moving. 78 units of this variant will be produced. The IFV-25 is the amphibious variant of the AV8, and is armed with a 1-man sharpshooter turret. The FNSS sharpshooter turret is armed with a Bushmaster 25mm autocannon. A 7.62 mm coaxial machine gun is mounted to the left side of the main armament. The turret is fully stabilized and can fire on the move in both day and night. The IFV25 variant has additional floats on the right side of the vehicle to balance the vehicle during amphibious operations. 46 units of this variant will be produced. The 12.7mm RWS variant is the most lightly armed AFV variant of the AV8 and is equipped with a 12.7mm remote weapon station. 54 units of this variant will be produced. The LCT-30 ATGW variant is the most well-armed variant of the AV8 and is equipped with the LCT-30 ATGW turret from Denel Land Systems. The LCT-30 ATGW turret is armed with a Denel GI 30mm gun and one 7.62mm coaxial machine gun as well as 4 ZT-3 Ingwe 127mm anti-tank guided missiles. The Ingwe is a laser beam riding missile with a range of 5,000 meters and the ability to engage moving targets. 54 units of this variant will be produced. The SPM-120 variant is the highest caliber variant of the AV8 and is equipped with a TDA-2 or 2M self-loading 120mm mortar. 8 units of this variant will be produced in the first batch of 257 AV8. The variant can carry up to 50 120mm mortar rounds and can shoot these unguided mortar shells with support of GPS within 13 meters in width and 9 meters in length of the target. The following are made by DefTech as for non-combat operations. Armored surveillance vehicle with battlefield radar and mast-mounted sensors, 24. Command vehicles, 13. Armored ambulances, 9. Armored recovery vehicles, 9. Maintenance vehicles, 9. Engineering and NBC reconnaissance vehicles, 4. Signals intelligence vehicles, 3.